Hi, welcome back to Create, Cook, and Talk. I'm Shantae.
I'm Kaylee.
What are we cooking today?
Pizza waffles.
Pizza waffles. Who sent us this recipe?
Katrina.
Katrina Bishop, a family friend or an old neighbor. She's not old, but she used to live near us and now she doesn't. She sent us a recipe actually for alphabet pizza, but I didn't have the cookie cutter, so I did a little twist on it and we came up with waffle pizza. So I figured this way it'll be good for everybody. All right, so let's talk about some fun facts. Did you know, because I didn't know this, did you know that the waffle iron came to us, the modern waffle iron came to us from Thomas Jefferson?
I never know that.
Didn't know that? Who is Thomas Jefferson?
He's the third president of United States of America.
Wow, very good. You learned some history. He was the third president and the founding father of America, which means the founding father is kind of, they were men that got together and made a movement to create America. Wow, right? Okay, so yeah, so in, I think it was 1789, let me just double check my facts. Thomas Jefferson was working over at the American foreign minister to France, and he was over there, and as he traveled and did things, he picked up things that he thought were interesting. So he actually shipped back 4 waffle makers.
I didn't know that.
That he picked up in Amsterdam, I read. So that's why he's said to have brought us the first modern waffle maker.
Okay.
Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so anyways, the other thing, did you know this? There's lots of fun facts I want to share because I thought this was really cool too. Did you know that the very first Nike sneaker was also inspired by the waffle maker?
I never know that.
It was called the Waffle Trainer because it had the bottoms, the soles of it were had the shapes of a waffle, and it was actually made by a waffle maker, waffle iron.
I never know that, Mom.
Pretty cool, huh? So, and what else? Oh, one other thing I want to share. I know we're talking a little bit longer, but I thought this was pretty cool. You know the popular frozen waffles that come in a package that you guys always want me to buy?
Yeah.
What's it called? What's the one you always want me to buy?
Eggos.
Let go my
Eggo.
Eggo. Right? So, but did you know that that was actually the name they originally came out with was called Waffles? Because it was frozen waffles combined, and that was the name that they originally launched the product with, called Waffles. All right, so anyways, back to what we're cooking today. What are we cooking today?
Pizza waffles.
Pizza waffles. All right, so we're going to start with biscuits, refrigerated canned biscuits, and I chose Annie's. Maybe they'll sponsor us. What do you think? Let's get out. Let's make a movement. Say sponsor our cooking show. Okay, what are the other ingredients?
We have Parmesan cheese. We have sauce.
Pizza sauce,
Pizza sauce, pepperoni,
mozzarella,
cheese,
and
salt.
Salt. No, those are called spices. Spices. Okay, very good. All right, so let's get started.
So
we have to turn on the microwave. Turn on the microwave.
oven.
Turn on the. Let's preheat the what's it called? Waffle iron.
Waffle iron, like townships and
So we opened up our pre-packaged refrigerator biscuits. And now I'm gonna just use Parmesan cheese as my flour for rolling it. And so we're just gonna set it up, all right?
Okay.
All right, so why don't you, let's do this at the same time so we can be a little faster. Let me break these up. Okay, you kind of smooth it out a little bit with your hands, just like this. Let's just pull it around a little bit, right? Smush, right, got it? And then I'm gonna put that one down there. I'm gonna put that on top, and we're gonna add a little bit for you. Okay, how you got it? Good job, okay? Put it on top of there. All right, we're gonna put this one on top. Let's just put a little bit more on this one so we don't stick. This is parchment paper I just cut down. Okay, we're just gonna roll it. Now we're gonna roll it in a circle. So this is what I like to do here. Let's just do it together for 1 minute. So, and then we'll turn it, okay? And we wanna get like a circle the size of the, put a little pressure on it. You wanna roll it out, right? Because you want it to be flat, like the size of the waffle iron. All right, let me see how you're doing. All right, so let's just make sure we're not getting
Shaped like the iron.
shaped like the iron. Okay, so,
Like a million or something.
and this is what I've learned too, is if you kind of hold it on one side and roll, then you can kind of turn it, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, you do it one more time. And you need to turn it for you. Well, we're getting pretty good, right?
Yeah.
All right, it's feel pretty smooth.
Yep.
Okay, so let's take that away. The rolling pin, right? Now, let's doctor one of them. Okay, so let's start with this one. Now, we're gonna start making, right?
Yep.
So,
we
we're gonna
need
put-
some salsa.
Yeah, so let's bring the sauce closer to you. Let's
Okay.
bring these ingredients up here so we can grab them. All right,
We need some salsa.
now you're gonna put the sauce right in the center. Are these in your... Now remember how I showed you, dump it and then use the back of the spoon and you're gonna smear it around. So it's 1 tablespoon, guys, for the center. Right, you think that's enough?
Yeah.
Okay, now what's next?
Now we need pepperoni.
Okay. Good job, layer it up. Remember I said leave the edge, remember what I said? Don't touch the edge because we're gonna seal the edges. While you're doing that, I'm gonna spray the waffle iron because I forgot to do that. We're gonna spray the waffle iron with cooking spray. So, whew, it's already hot.
And then we need some
Now,
Parmesan
cheese.
cheese.
Nope. About a half a cup. So I don't know if you want to measure it or if you want to scoop it out. What do you want to?
our mentor. Put some
Okay, what did I tell you about the edges?
cheese.
Okay. All right, now I would sprinkle a little bit of the spice. Put some between your fingers and sprinkle it on top. All over, all over. Okay, now we're going to move this to the side. And we have our little layer right underneath us, right?
Yep.
We're gonna plop that on top, right? And now what do we do? Let's line that up pretty good. Now, here's the fork, right? So let me just show you. We're gonna go to the edge, right? And we're gonna seal it like a
Like a picnic.
like a pie,
Like a pie.
right? Go all the way around. Can you do it? And turn the paper if you need to. And you don't want to go too far into it because you'll squish all your ingredients. You just want to go turn it so you just do the edges. You're just doing the edges. Do you know where the edge is? Like right there is the edge? Yeah, okay. Very good. Perfect on that. Keep going. One more spot, because if you don't seal it, what's going to happen?
And that tastes good.
No, it will taste good because you got all that cheese in there. But if you don't seal it, what's going to happen? It's going to leak all over. It's going to spread all over the waffle iron, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to put it in the waffle iron. Put our waffle iron up here.
And we may use the fork to do it.
Well, I'm just going to pick it up and put it for you there.
And then you close this nicely. And just be careful.
And push it down a little bit and let it seal. 3 to 5 minutes and our pizza will be done. Right? Let's see what it looks like. Pull it up. Oh, it's looking good. Okay, I think it's about done, right? So we cooked it for about medium-high temp, about 3/4 of the way you put the dial around, for 3 to 5 minutes, right? Until it gets this brown. You'll see like the dough's not done. If you don't seal it properly, things will leak out. So make sure if you're helping the kids that they seal it. Kaylee, I'm gonna have you do this. So let's use the tongs. You have to go, we're gonna work together and go underneath. Oops, see, look at that. Okay, can you get it? Oh, there you go, boom. All right, so there you go.
Put a thumbs up if you like our video. If you have another recipe, send it to me, Mama, for next time.
And we'll make it, right?
Yeah, and we're going to make it.
And give us a comment. Let us know what you think if you want us to keep doing these videos. And I did not do the alphabet pizza exactly, but I do thank Katrina for sending us a recipe, and I did think it looked like lots of fun. I just did not have all those cookie cutters, so I hope that you enjoy our recipe. Encourage learning while creating yum, and create, cook, and talk, and we'll talk to you soon, right?
Bye.
Bye.